Hey guys, I just wanted to share my invention with you. It is an overhead camera mount, which of course I'm using my phone. So basically it's the use of mini crates, which you can get at Walmart at least, and sometimes the dollar store, and then you can use either PVC pipe, which at Home Depot they sell the 2 feet pipes already. At Lowe's you have to buy a long pipe and then have it cut. You can get the Dowling at Home Depot, or you can get it at Walmart. It's cheaper at Walmart. And it's so cool because you can adjust the height. Now, if you stick the PVC pipe in these holes, it's a little hard to get out. So you might want to use the Dowling. Anyway, that's it. And then my next invention here is the mini cucumbers with cream cheese and bell red pepper. Bon appetit.